Using Afterpay on Fashion Nova is a convenient way to shop for clothing and accessories without having to pay the full amount up front. To get started, you need to have a Fashion Nova account and be at least 18 years old to be eligible for Afterpay. First, browse the Fashion Nova website and select the items you want to purchase. Once you have added all the items to your cart, proceed to checkout. You will be asked to enter your shipping and billing information, and then you will be prompted to choose your payment method. Select Afterpay as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Afterpay website. If you are a new Afterpay customer, you will need to create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. Afterpay will then perform a quick credit check to determine your eligibility for their services. If you are approved, you will be able to complete your purchase and pay for your items in 4 interest-free installments, due every 2 weeks. It is essential to note that Afterpay charges late fees if you miss a payment, so it is crucial to make your payments on time. You can view your payment schedule and make payments through the Afterpay website or mobile app. To avoid late fees, make sure to set up automatic payments or reminders to ensure you never miss a payment. You can also track your orders and payment history through the Fashion Nova website and the Afterpay website. Using Afterpay on Fashion Nova is a great way to stay on top of the latest fashion trends without breaking the bank. Just remember to always make your payments on time and be mindful of the total cost of your purchase, including any interest or fees that may apply. By following these steps and being responsible with your payments, you can enjoy the benefits of shopping with Afterpay on Fashion Nova.